Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to save your work address on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You should just go to Google Maps, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that go to your data in Maps, click on it. After that scroll down a little bit and you will find this option, Home and Work Addresses. Click on Work. And as you can see here, you have two options. The first one is to write the address on the top of the screen or choose on map. So to choose on map, you have just to open the map and just scroll inside the map until you find the good location and click Save After. And after, at the end, of course, you should, after choosing, you have to click Save. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.